Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of August for all the Leo Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Leo Ascendant people, Sun controls your first house, and right now Sun is moving in your 12th house in the sign of Cancer. Sun is your ascendant lord, means Sun is very important planet for you people. Sun controls all the aspects of your life, personality, your general health, your physique, your looks. So right now your first house lord is moving in your 12th house. 12th house deal with isolation, spirituality, foreign settlements, foreign related matter, your isolated places, your expenses, your losses is seen from 12th house. So we can expect till 17th of August your major focus will be your spirituality and religious related matters. Also, if you are interested or if you have any connection related to foreign settlement or you are trying to move to foreign settlement during this time, we can expect good result regarding all of this matter, because your ascendant lord means you is right now moving in your 12th house. So as we discussed previously, till 17th of August you may have to deal with your 12th house related matters. After 17th of August, Sun will move to your first house in its own sign, means in the sign of Leo. So when Sun will move to your first house, then we can expect you may have great result regarding your ascendant, regarding your personality, regarding your health and all the matters in your life, because many planets are right now moving in your first house. Mars, Venus, Mercury and Sun will also join your first house on 17th August 2023. So we can expect good result regarding your personality, your health and all the matter. You will get support in the all the matter you are dealing with right now in the month of August, especially after 17th of August. You will see you will start to care a lot about yourself and your looks and your personality, because whenever Sun is moving in any house, Sun will illuminate the significance of that house, and Sun is your ascendant lord. So Sun will illuminate the significance of ascendant, eliminate the significance of you. So all the matters in your life. So we can expect these results regarding Sun in the month of August for all the Leo Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Leo Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 11th house and your second house, and right now Mercury is moving in your first house in the sign of Leo. Mercury will turn into its retrograde motion in your first house on 24th August 2023. 11th house deal with your elder siblings, your gains, your profits in life, your earning in life, your organizations, your friend circle, your professional network circle, all the gains you have, your hopes and wishes, and fulfillment of hopes and wishes is also seen from 11th house. Second house deal with your family, family lineage, family history, family values, your saving, your money matters. All the saving do you have is seen from second house. Your food intake habits are seen from second house. Your mouth region is also seen from second house. So right now second house and 11th house lord is moving in your first house and about to turn into its retrograde motion on 24th August 2023 in your. I can expect you may have great results regarding money matters and gains in the month of August. Especially you will have to deal a lot with your communication related matters in. Also, we can expect you will have to deal a lot with your relatives and cousins in the month of August. You may have a lot get together because fourth house lord also moving in your first house. House of home is also moving in your first house. Fourth house lord is also moving in your first house, and Mercury and Venus is also present there. So we can expect you will have to deal a lot with your cousins, with your relative in the month of August. You may have to communicate a lot related to things related to home in the month of August, especially after 17th of August when Sun will move to your first house. So we can expect these results in the month of August for Mercury. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Leo Ascendant people, Venus controls your 10th house and your third house, and right now Venus is moving in your first house in its retrograde motion. Venus right now moving in its retrograde motion as we discussed previously in the month of July. Third house deal with your younger siblings, your communication, your neighbors, your efforts, especially your communication and communication skills is seen from third house. 10th house deal with your work environment, nature of your work, your authority at your workplace, your relationship with your superior is seen from 10th house. How far you can go in your career is seen from 10th house. So right now your 10th house lord and your third house lord is moving in your first house house, and Venus is right now in its retrograde motion as we discussed previously in the month of July. So we can expect you may have good result regarding your work related matters also in the month of August, because your 10th house lord is moving in your ascendant, most important planet for you people. And whenever any planet turn into its retrograde motion, its effect will be double. Either it was previously giving good result or bad result. So we can expect good result regarding your work related matters, but you need to be careful regarding your communication related matters in the month of August, because Ketu is moving in your third house from last year March 2022, and Mercury, which generally controls communication in all the charts, is about to turn into a retrograde motion in your first house, and Mars, which represent aggression, is also moving in your first house. So we can expect you may get aggressive a lot when you're dealing with your relatives and you're communicating with your cousins, because Mars represent aggression and Mercury is about to retrograde on 24th August 2023, as we discussed previously. So especially after 24th of August, you need to be very careful regarding when you're dealing with your cousins, relatives, and all the members in your life, because so we can expect you may have to deal with arguments and verbal fights in the month of August. So we can expect these results from Venus in the month of August for all the Leo Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Leo Ascendant people, Moon controls your 12th house, and right now Moon is moving in your 8th house in the sign of Pisces. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of August, and on the basis of 6th August we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in one video, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit easily in your chart. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house during transit, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology, and Moon is considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house in transit, and naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, Mars. During these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem, difficulties in our life. Especially problem, difficulties, issues will come from the house significance through which the Moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Leo Ascendant people, Mars controls your 9th house and your 4th house, and right now moving in your first house in the sign of Leo. Mars will stay in your first house till 19th of August. After that, Mars will move to your second house in the sign of Virgo. 9th house deal with your father, teachings of your father, teachings of your family, your teachers, your mentors, your coach, your religious knowledge, your higher education, your post-grade education, your travel related matter, your pilgrimage is also seen from 9th house. 4th house deal with your home, your properties, your vehicle, your comfort in life, your mother's relationship and mother's health is also seen from 4th house. So right now, as we discussed previously in Mercury section, Mars is also moving in your first house. So we can expect in the month of August, especially till 19th of August, you may have to deal with your get-togethers and with cousins, as we discussed previously, because house of home is moving in your ascendant, and 7th house lord, which controls your meeting, your get-togethers, is moving in, expecting your first house, means expecting Mars in the first house. So we can expect you may have to deal with your relatives, cousins and get together in the month of August, especially till 19th of August. House lord is also moving in your first house. 11th house controls gains, money matter, and your incoming gains, your money matter, your profits in life. Also 11th house lord is moving in your first house, so 11th house deal with your gains, your profit, and 4th house deal with your property. 4th house controlled by Mars and 11th house controlled by Mercury. Both the planets are moving in your first house, so we can expect you may have some gain related to property in the month of August if you're about to buying or selling some property in the month of August. So we can expect these results from Mars in the month of August. So we can expect these results in the month of August from Mars. Also, Mars controls your 9th house. 9th house, as we discussed previously, 9th house deal with your luck related matter, your father's health, and your travel related matters. So if you're trying to move from your birthplace to some different place on a trip and for some time, so we can expect you may get the chance in the month of August or after month of August to travel to and Jupiter. Both the planets are moving in your 9th house, and 9th house also deal with long distance travel, pilgrimage. So we can expect you may get the chance to go on a trip and foreign travel in the month of August if you're trying to move previously from your birthplace to other countries. So we can expect these results from all the planets in the month of August. We will have three major astrological events in the month of August. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun will move from your 12th house to your first house on 17th August 2023 in the sign of Leo, means in its own sign. Second major astrological event is that Mars will move from your first house to your second house on 19th August 2023 in the sign of Virgo. Third and most important astrological event is that Mercury is about to turn into its retrograde motion in your first house on 24th August 2023. Rest all the planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu. We have described the results of these planets in detail in our yearly prediction videos. If you are interested to know the results of these planets, then you can check my yearly prediction video and watch for your ascendant. I hope that video will prove helpful for you. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of August 2023 ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz, take care.